JMH500. Moving column structure design can solve the spindle head vibration issue and prevent rigidity movement. High rigidity roller type linear guideway on 3 axes, providing high precision manufacturing and longer service life. The structural parts are manufactured from high quality cast iron, tempered for stress relief. Direct spindle provides better precision and reduces spindle vibration. Auto tool changer. Fast and stable tool change motions save non-cutting time and increase efficiency. The spindle features floating tool released to extend the service life of the spindle bearings. High precision ball screws on 3 axes and high accuracy inspection are under 0.01 millimeter in full length. CNC rotary table change, providing workpiece loading and unloading when processing, saving time on the workpiece load waiting. CNC rotary table uses servo motor driving with exact position accuracy. Scissors type of telescopic cover can reduce motor output, noise, increase smooth movement, and force average. Extra chip flushing system with 30 spouts, providing 3 flushing areas need. Chip flushing system is effective increase 33% up flushing. The advanced finite element analysis software is applied for simulating structural stress. This assures the best possible machine rigidity, stability, and dampening capacity. The JMH500 provides a fast, high accuracy, and wide range for your machining requirements. The JMH500 uses Mitsubishi or Fanuc controller for standard, but we also have Siemens or Heidenhain controller for your optional choice. Millstar has more than 50 models that have been developed since 1988. The JMH500 will provide you with total machining solution.